Today we are working on Excel Lesson 1, the second assignment, entering text. So this is the document you should have opened up. So click File, and then New, Blank Workbook. Creates a new blank workbook, and then click in cell A2. So we have columns that are lettered, rows are numbered. So cell A2 is right here. When you click in a cell, if you look right up here, you can see it tells you the cell that you're in. So we know we're in cell A2. Type price quote and press enter. Notice the current active cell is now A3. When you press enter, Excel completes the entry of data in the current cell, then moves the cell pointer to the next cell down. Press enter twice more, moves down 2 more rows. In cell A5, type airfare and press enter. Mark as answered. Go to the second one. In cell A6, type hotel and press enter. A7, we're going to type car rental and press enter. In cell A8, taxes and press enter. Note, if you enter the wrong value into a cell, simply select the cell and type the entire correct entry again to replace the incorrect value. Mark as answered. Go to the next one. Now try a feature called autocomplete, in which Excel determines whether you are repeating the same text as a previous cell and completes it for you. If it is the text you want, you simply press enter to accept it. In cell A9, so click in cell A9, type the letter capital A, and you can see that airfare, Excel automatically offers you a text label based on what your previous entry was above it. So you can press enter to accept it or continue typing the value you want. Ignore the suggested label and continue typing the rest of the text, which is IRPORT fees, and press enter. Notice the text extends farther than the default column width for this text entry. If you enter data in the next column, the part of the new label overflows into the next column will be cut off. So in cell A12, type airline and press enter. Notice this time the auto feature did not turn on. This is because the blank cells A10 and 11 are preventing Excel from looking up a previous similar number or value in this column. Enter the following in the remaining cells. So in cell A13, we're going to enter hotel. In B12, so click on B12, we're going to enter Great West Airline. In B13, we're going to enter Hotel Zathura. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. And you can see that we have 3 green checks, so this completes